If you ever feel lost inside your SketchUp model, Zoom Extents is the fastest way to get back on track. In this video, I'll show you how to use Zoom Extents in SketchUp 2026, what it does and when to use it so you can recover your view instantly and work much faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips just like this. Zoom Extents is basically your emergency reset button. It tells SketchUp to zoom the camera in or out until everything in your model fits on the screen. So whether you're zoomed in too far, zoomed out too far, or you've accidentally lost sight of your drawing completely, this tool brings everything back into view. The quickest way to activate Zoom Extents is with the keyboard shortcut. Just press Shift plus Z on your keyboard and SketchUp will instantly adjust the camera so your full model is visible again. This is the fastest method, especially when you need to get back to work right away. You can also use the toolbar icon. Look for the magnifying glass symbol with the 4 red arrows pointing outward. That icon represents Zoom Extents. Click it once and SketchUp will do the same thing as the shortcut and frame the entire model on your screen. If you prefer using the menu, go up to the camera menu at the top of the screen, then choose Zoom Extents. This is the same command, just accessed through the menu system instead of the shortcut or toolbar. Now let's talk about when Zoom Extents is most useful. The first big situation is the classic "I'm lost" problem. Maybe you scrolled too far with your mouse wheel and now your screen looks blank, white, black, or just empty. That usually doesn't mean your model is gone. It just means your camera moved away from it. Press Shift plus Z and SketchUp will snap you right back to the model so you can keep working. Another important use is checking for stray geometry. If you use Zoom Extents and your model suddenly becomes a tiny dot in the middle of a huge empty area, that usually means there is a line, point, or piece of geometry floating far away from the main model. This can happen accidentally when you're drawing, moving objects, or importing content. Zoom Extents helps reveal that problem immediately, so you can find and clean up those stray elements. This is also a great tool right before exporting a 2D graphic or creating an image output. Using Zoom Extents first helps make sure your model is centered properly and fully visible. That means cleaner framing, better exports, and less chance of cutting off important parts of your design. So remember, if you ever feel stuck, use Shift plus Z first. It's one of the most important shortcuts in SketchUp because it saves time, reduces frustration, and helps you quickly regain control of your view. Once you get used to it, you'll probably use Zoom Extents all the time. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials, beginner tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.